Hi, how are you? I hope you're all doing fine today. Let's draw a nice portrait from here. Just draw a line like this. Then draw a straight line to the up and just going forward and just coming like this. Okay, so this is going to be some type of cap. Okay, and here you can draw a glass. Okay, and another glass you can draw like this. All right, and just making it like the oval shape. Oval shape. Okay, and it's coming to the end point. Okay, there are, you can see the eyes inside, eyes, another eyes also on the right side. Awesome. And just putting the lines like this. And for the portrait drawing you have to do some outlines like the soft tones, then later you are going to connect it. Okay, so this is going to be the meeting point of these two sides. Okay, so connecting it here, and here you are going to put the lips, and here you can see we're going to draw the nose here, so it's going to connect from this side and coming up here. All right. Okay, here the nostrils, and putting few lines, and the lips you can see just going to have a nice shape here. And the taller here coming up for the whole background, and you can see this is going to be in the back. All right, lots of hairs, and the extensions you can see, and this is going to be the part of the dress. Okay, so for the cap he's wearing on the top, just putting some shades with the same color tone. Okay, and also putting shades on the left side because we're trying to make it like a looks like a 3D one. And on the down you can see on the bottom some little bit shades here, and the dress is going to be like this. So that's a person wearing a cap, just looking forward. Now we're going to take the sign pen, and let's draw some details. So we're going to draw the lips here. You can see the lips and the nose. Here the nostrils, the outlines of the glass you can see, making it visually clear. So the pencil drawing previously, those are acting as a shades for the the portrait drawing. So his eyes, let's put the eyeball a little bit darker, so putting shades on one side, and you can see the outlines of the cap here. Outlines, and also putting the borders on the other side, so all the shades just coming inside. You can see the glasses extensions, and the few extensions of the hair on his shoulder. Okay, so making this point a little bit darker, and all the hair just having a nice formations, very good curved lines. and this is for the dress. Okay, so you can easily see that any painting or any drawing, it's like a multi-level task. So you have to draw in different layers. So put some layers, then making some places darker, then adjust it, then go for the next layer. This is how. So the lights fall on some parts of the drawing, so that's why you have to making those parts lighter, and when light falls you know very less in some places, those places becomes a little bit darker. So putting extra shades on the left side just to enhance the darkness of the drawings. So this is also beautify the presentations. So that's why putting the colors more darker on the left side. Awesome. So in some places of the hair you can also see some darker shades. Okay, adjusting these labels. So the sketch usually it's like a it takes a little bit time, but after drawing is done it looks really good. Okay, so doing some details for the nose. All right, here you can see some darker parts trying to mix up, and for the glass just put a whole layer of the same types of shadow to increase the color depth inside the glasses. All right, so the portrait is complete. I hope you like the video, and thanks for watching. See you in our next videos. Thank you so much. Have a good day.